Hey traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies, the channel where smart traders grow and beginners gain confidence in the markets. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of my favorite 60-second binary options trading strategies, a fast and powerful technique that has helped me win trades consistently. Whether you're brand new to trading or already have experience, this strategy is super easy to understand and can be a game changer if used correctly. I'll walk you through step by step, using a live chart example, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Quick disclaimer, binary options trading carries financial risk. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose, and always do your own research before making any decisions. Now, let's take a look at the chart. We see the price dropping from resistance and bouncing up from support, a clear pattern. Based on this movement, we expect another strong drop from the current resistance area. But before we take action, we'll wait for a clear signal confirming that the downtrend is starting. Let's break it down. The last few candles show strong rejection from the top. Most are bearish, showing sellers are clearly in control. On the fifth candle, sellers dominate. This is our entry point. Following the strategy, we'll now place 5 back-to-back sell trades, each with 60-second expiry on each new candle. Remember, stick to 5 trades only. Don't go beyond that. All right, traders, let's dive into the action. We've identified our perfect setup. The price is at the resistance level. Recent candles show strong bearish pressure, and we've just seen seller dominance on the fifth candle. So now we're placing our first 60-second sell trade as per the strategy. Remember, we'll place a total of 5 consecutive sell trades, one after each new candle, only if the bearish momentum continues. Don't rush, don't overtrade. Just follow the pattern, candle by candle. Trade 1 placed. Let's wait for it to close. While this trade runs, let me remind you of a few key points to boost your success with this strategy. Always trade with the 1-minute candle time frame. Use 60-second expiry for each trade. Stick to major pairs during high-volume sessions, best sessions, European and US. Avoid low volatility times. Great, we secured a win on our first trade. Awesome start. We've entered the second 60-second trade, and once again, we'll let the candle finish before making our next move. The price action is still respecting the resistance zone, and bearish candles continue to form, showing that sellers are still in control. This is exactly the kind of market condition we want for this strategy. Strong, clean momentum in one direction. While we wait for this trade to close, here's something important to remember. Never force trades. If the market starts to reverse or becomes uncertain, pause and reevaluate. Winning in binary options is all about discipline, not just taking every signal. Excellent, that's 2 back-to-back wins, traders. I've just placed the third 60-second sell trade of our strategy, and we'll watch closely to see how this one plays out. At the same time, let's stay ready to enter the 4th trade if the setup continues. So far, the price is respecting the resistance zone beautifully, and bearish candles are forming consistently, which is a strong sign that sellers are still dominating the market. And remember this, trading is not about winning every trade, it's about following a system that works over time. That's exactly what we're doing right now, step by step, calm, and focused. No worries, we took a loss on the 3rd trade, but that's completely normal, traders. This looks like a small retracement in the middle of a strong downtrend, which often happens even in the most solid market moves. The key thing is, our overall trend direction hasn't changed, so we're not panicking, we're not second-guessing, we're sticking to the plan and continuing with the sell-side strategy. Just like we committed from the start, I've now placed the 4th 60-second sell trade and will observe this candle closely. If the market continues as expected, we'll prepare for the 5th and final trade in this session. Important mindset tip. Even professional traders experience losses. What sets them apart is their consistency and ability to stick with the strategy without letting emotions take over. Great news! Our 4th trade was a success. That's a strong recovery after the 3rd trade loss. And a great example of why it's important to stay calm and trust the strategy. Now, it's time for our 5th and final sell trade as planned. I've just placed the last 60-second sell trade and will now patiently wait for the result to complete our full trading cycle. So far, this session has shown us how to Identify clean sell setups from the resistance zone, stick to a fixed trade limit, stay focused, even through a loss, and most importantly, stay emotionally balanced. If you're still watching, you've already learned something that most beginners overlook. Successful trading isn't about chasing wins. It's about following a tested process, staying disciplined and thinking long-term. And by sticking to our 5-trade limit, we avoid overtrading and emotional decision-making, which can lead to bigger losses. Amazing! We've just won our 5th and final trade. This session clearly shows that with the right approach and a disciplined mindset, this 60-second binary option strategy can deliver powerful results. The key is not just the strategy itself, but choosing the right chart, watching for the right signals, and sticking to the plan without letting emotions take over. If all the conditions align, like strong resistance, clean candle formations, and market momentum, you can definitely achieve similar success. But remember, no strategy is perfect. That's why, always start by practicing this strategy on a demo account. Get familiar with the flow, understand how the market reacts, and build your confidence before switching to a real account. If you enjoyed this video and learned something valuable, give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment with your thoughts or questions. And don't forget to subscribe to Sam Trading Strategies for more smart, simple, and real trading content. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Stay focused, stay consistent, and as always, happy trading. See you in the next video.